Guys, as we have discussed earlier, we know the IP address using if config, or else if config if doesn't work. Actually, we just need to execute if config, guys. So if doesn't work, then you need to go for sudo space if config on your machine. But if you have got a shell access for, like, for an official penetration testing, then you just need to enter if config, guys. You don't need to know the password. So now, why hacker wants to know the IP address? I told you before, guys. Then again, I told you how you have to hacker has to ping all the systems in the network to know the live IP addresses if it is an official project. But there is an another approach is there, the nmap scan and all that will be later stage, guys. I don't want you to waste this time. First, I want to go step by step from the zero stage so that you become more comfortable. Now this is command, Netdiscover command, guys. It is used to identify all the systems, live systems in the LAN with the MAC IP addresses, guys. You just have to enter this. It is saying command not found, but it will work for your operating system, guys. So I'm just entering sudo because it didn't work. Can you see, guys, the IP addresses and MAC? I'm just stopping it. If I terminate, it will showing all the MAC addresses of the computer in the name and also the host names and IP addresses. These are the live IP addresses. So this is how the important command, guys. Netdiscover. This is be used as a part of like security testing, network security testing, to identify the live systems in the network without using any third party tools in the initially, in a single, like, in a quick approach in a small network.